Meron pong standing memorandum of agreement ang DOJ with the Ombudsman. So if the Ombudsman deems it proper to deputize us for the conduct of investigation of any case, hindi lang po ito, no, that applies generally, then yes, of course, we will conduct the PI. As long as may agreement po ang Ombudsman, Office of the Ombudsman and DOJ.
May ganong coordination po, sir.
Right now, wala pa pong alam na may ganong coordination because kailan po lang po ba na-file, di ba, yung affidavits kahapon lang. So we'll have to wait and see. Di ba?
Sir, pwede ba yun na mag-investigate ang DOJ kahit pa-referral lang yung sinabi nila affidavits at hindi formal complaint yung pinili nila sa ombudsman?
As long as na-deputize po kami ng Ombudsman, then we can investigate into it. Kasi yung referral doon, grants us authority. Referral doon falls within their jurisdiction, but because we have concurrent jurisdiction over some cases, then pwede mapag-usapan kung ma-deputize kami. Pero tama po yung pa-idea ninyo na ang pinagkaiba po kasi ng Ombudsman sa DOJ is we cannot act on any, we cannot motu proprio initiate our own investigation. The DOJ can only act upon complaints properly filed with us, with this department, at may criminal charge charge. May criminal charge na nakasista dun sa complaint. Ang motu proprio investigation kasi titingnan pa kung ano po pwedeng ikaso. Di ba? Magkaiba po yun dito. Dito kailangan meron ka na naisip na charge before you do file your complaint.
So, but can the DOJ order or direct the NBI to investigate po yung allegations?
Hindi, okay, laruin po natin. The DOJ can only coordinate with the NBI as an attached agency upon filing of complaint and kapag in accordance with DC-20, Department Circular 20. Ano po ibig sabihin nun? Ang DOJ pwede lang makipag-coordinate sa NBI kapag may complaint na na-file for purposes of case build-up. Para po masigurado na will this sufficient by evidence for the conduct of preliminary investigation? Diba, sapat ba yung ebidensya natin para imbestigahan talaga? Kasi we will rely on the evidence submitted to us by the NBI. Right? As opposed to the Ombudsman, na they can start and initiate their own investigation, sila ang pwedeng maghanap ng evidence kung anong pwede magamit for the subsequent or the eventual filing of cases. Sana klaro po yun.